tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy SHD with Secret on SiennaSwap. So your first step is going to be converting a small amount of Secret into Secret. Now, Secret is the base gas token of Secret Network, but on the DEXs on Secret Network, we use something called Secret, which is the privacy-preserving version of SCRT. So the first place you're going to go to is wallet.keplr.app, and you'll go to this URL right here. I'll have it linked below. Let's go ahead and navigate here. It's going to ask us to create a viewing key for Secret. We'll go ahead and accept this. All SNP20 tokens on Secret Network have an encrypted balance, which means no one in the world except you and your viewing key can view those tokens. But first, you got to create the viewing key. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on Approve. And this should just take a moment here. So now we have the option to convert Secret into the privacy-preserving version of this. And we're going to do this so that we can buy SHD on Sienna. So I'll go ahead and enter in 2 right here. We're going to convert to Secret to Secret. Click on Approve. This should go through momentarily. There it is. My balance got updated to 2. And now we can go back to Sienna and go ahead and click on Launch App. Wait for the user interface to load here. We're greeted with this nice little dashboard. We'll go ahead and click on Use SiennaSwap. First step is to select Secret. You can find it right here. And you're going to see that this balance is going to populate. That was the Secret that we just converted. And then next, we're going to go ahead and select SHD. Now you'll notice there's this view balance button because just like we needed to generate a viewing key to view our Secret balance, we also need to generate a viewing key to view our encrypted SHD balance. Let's go ahead and click on View Balance. We'll click Create Key and submit right here. I'm going to go ahead and approve that. And there it is. That just went through. You can see that I have a balance of 0 with SHD, a balance of 2 for Secret. I'm going to go ahead and spend my 2 Secret, buy as much SHD as possible. 2 Secret gives me approximately 0.21 SHD. You can see the trading ratio is down here. You can swap this back and forth to get an idea of what you're trading for. Now we'll go ahead and click on Swap. Just wait for this Keplr transaction to come through. We'll go ahead and approve. And just like that, it looks like our transaction completed. The SHD is now on our Sienna interface. And if we pull up our Keplr wallet, our SHD tokens are waiting here to be sent around and used. Thanks for watching. That was how to buy SHD with Secret on SiennaSwap. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below. Please like and subscribe.